Hey everybody, I'm Don Dabney. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really, I want to just say brand new 1972 Ford Bronco Sport. And in this video, I'm going to take you around it, I'm going to take you under it, but first we're going to take a ride in it. Oh, the brights were on. Gets up and goes. It's got plenty of power. I love the 3 on the tree. These are just so retro, so old school. And the shifting's great, smooth. Braking, suspension, everything's essentially new. It's been either rebuilt or replaced during the restoration, and it's only logged about 500 miles since. And the inside is so comfortable. Everything seems to be in good working order. The lights, the gauges, blinkers, just, you get in here, it's got a retro sound type stereo sound system, ice cold air conditioning, just super cool. And you know, when you walk around the body and you really look at it up close, it absolutely, I think the paint, the fit, and the finish is better than they were new. It's just absolutely like glass. It's got beautiful alignments, all the trim, everything looks so nice on it. I was about 10 years old when these cars came out. I remember the neighbor had a new one. Now it's got a nice bimini top that can be used on this when you take the hard top up, and should make a really fun summer cruiser for somebody. All right, so there you go. By the way, a little bit of rattling, it's the roof. We're going to torque it down a little bit because it's been on since the car was built. And as you know, the rubber tends to stretch and shrink a little bit. So sometimes we got to torque things down after a couple of years. But the truck itself, tight as a drum, beautiful, very nicely built. Anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call. You can find my number up on the screen right there, down below. You can call or text me directly anytime. And then if you want to see more images, there's a lot more photos on my website at leftcoastclassics.com, right here, leftcoastclassics.com. And what else? I have all these photos in high resolution, which are significantly larger than what I can put on the internet. So if you want that, send me a text or an email or whatever, and I'll send you back a link to Dropbox, and you can go look at all these photos, huge. All right. And then if you're out there and you like car shows, check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. We did a 2015 episode, no, 2012. It was a long time ago. It was a 57 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. This one right here. We did a 1970 Lancia Fulvia, and I think that was 2018 right here. And a one-owner Triumph TR4, super fun episode at the end of 2020. All good fun, great car show, fun episodes. Check those out. Again, call or text me anytime, and make sure you stick around because there's a lot more ahead on this video of this car. We're still going to go under it and around it and do a whole bunch of other things. So, all right, and oh, if you can, like and subscribe. It'll help me in the algorithms. I think we're at like 9.5 million views on my site. All right, thanks for checking out this cool Bronco. So heading under the Bronco, you can see it's essentially brand new under here. Other than a few years and a few hundred miles, it's everything. Shocks, suspension, bushings, brakes, tires, everything. Everything was out, everything was off. New frame, new MagnaFlow exhaust installed when they built it. Better than factory under there. Going to go around with a magnet, but I wanted to show you this, how these hubcaps were customized to support a wider custom wheel. So you could reach the release in there. And I like to go around with just a really weak magnet with some film on the back. The car is just beautifully straight, and when you look up at the paint, you don't see the things that, I mean, that's sort of the trick to seeing what you got there, is looking up at the paint. You do have a little chip there for some reason. Just noticed that, but otherwise, I mean, look at that. It's just so beautiful. Quarters, fenders. You can always tell a lot about a car from the lower portions of it. Surprisingly nice alignments for a Ford, a little better than factory, I think. Back in the day, things, as you know, weren't so perfect. Anyway, great looking truck.